Good day, ma'am.
Good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Herminia Viterbo Ranido, 35 years old, married, and I have one kid. We are 6 siblings in the family. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the eldest one among the 6.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, I do have. From 2012 until 2014, I took care of a 14 years old boy autistic. They are 8 members of the family. From 2014 until 2016, I took care of 3 children and 2 elderly. I do the housework, cooking, marketing, and do the tutorial. And the last one is 2016 up to 2018. I took care of a 98-year-old dementia patient.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes.
Could you say some words in Cantonese or Mandarin?
No.
Who will take care of your kids if you work abroad?
My husband.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the baby's temperature. I will check if he or she is sick. And I will tell to my employer. I will check if he is hungry. And I will check if the diaper is full, and I will change it.
Are you willing to share a room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Are you okay if your leave is not on Sunday or Saturday?
Yes.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the employer in salary instead of leave?
Yes.
Are you willing to take your dogs or cat?
Yes.
Do you have your own dog or cat?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes. I know how to cook fried rice, Chinese fried rice, chokiao noodles, and chicken rice.
Lastly, please say something to attract your future employer to hire you.
Hello, ma'am and sir. Good afternoon. My name is Herminia. If you will hire me, I will promise to finish my contract. And if it is will, I will extend more contract for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.